Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Master channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a popular project that recently got listed yesterday. And the moment it got its mainnet launch, it got listed on several major centralized exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase, pretty much instantaneously. And this project is called Aptos, or the APT token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the project we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website aptoslabs.com in order to learn more about this project, right? And before we talk about Aptos Lab, I want to talk to you guys about Get.io. Get.io, if you guys don't already know, is one of the major centralized exchanges that's known for listing low market cap gem tokens way before they get listed on any other major centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. What this means is, if you have a Get.io account right now, and if you invest in these low market cap gem tokens, you stand a chance to make 10, 20, 50 or even 100x gains on those cryptos, right? If you don't already have a Get.io account right now, then I highly recommend you guys to use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account today. And by doing so, you get the following benefits. You can first of all see that you can basically go to their platform to buy cryptocurrencies directly from their platform, look at the price information of several large market cap, medium market cap, as well as low market cap gem tokens, as well as trade those tokens as well with multiple different trading pairs. So all these basic information is available on their platform. And when you buy the low market cap tokens, and if you want to hodl on to them for long term, before they start pumping like crazy, you can actually start earning some passive income using their dedicated earn tab, where you can deposit cryptocurrencies and earn staking rewards or lend them out, or even like use liquidity mining programs or dual investments and multiple other strategies to earn a passive income, right? If you are a person who wants to do trading but you don't know a strategy to do that, or if you don't have a winning strategy, you can actually go to their copy trading platform and copy some of the popular expert traders out there who make consistent income by trading, and you can copy their trade for your own success as well, right? If you're a person who wants to buy, sell and trade NFTs but you don't want to pay extremely high gas fees like on Ethereum, you also have the dedicated NFT trading platform by Get.io, which you can use to do the exact same trades on Get.io, but with little to no gas fees, right? If you're a person who wants to buy cryptocurrencies at the lowest possible price, and on their life cycle, then you can use a startup page on the Get.io platform and use that in order to access new tokens that are vetted thoroughly by Get.io and invest in them to make some really good gains, right? So as you can see, Get.io offers you multiple different options to make short-term, long-term and mid-term income on your cryptocurrencies, right? And if you use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account today, you will not only get the benefits that we discussed right now, but you'll also get a 30% trading fee rebate on any trades that you make on their platform, right? And you'll only be able to get this benefit by using the link in the description, because it is a referral link, so you and I, we both will benefit from this, right? So by using the link in the description, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So going to the Aptos page for this token, we're going to rely on the coin market cap's information along with information present on the website itself. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money onto this token, right? So what is Aptos? Even though it's been listed on multiple different major exchanges, it seems like coin market cap only has a very little information about this token. So Aptos is focused on delivering the safest and most productive production-ready Layer-1 blockchain in the world. So what they're trying to do is, they're using their words very carefully, right? So they're mainly focused on delivering the safest. Obviously, they're trying to be one of the safest and secure blockchain out there. And they're also trying to provide you with a most production-ready Layer-1 blockchain. So again, they're not saying fastest. Usually you hear the term safest and fastest blockchain with high transactions per second, but here they're saying it's the safest blockchain, and at the same time it's also a production ready Layer-1 blockchain. So what this means is, you can literally deploy your dApps right away. It's available for producing dApps and building any form of applications on top of them right away. But it's not really talking about its speed. That's because it's not a very fast blockchain, right? So we'll get onto that in a few seconds, but it's a Layer-1 blockchain, and it's pretty much like every layer 1 blockchain tries to attract a market share from Ethereum, right? And you can learn more about this platform and this token itself on aptoslabs.com, right? Which is exactly where we're going to jump onto right now, because aptoslabs.com is pretty much where we can find additional information about this token, because not a lot of information is available from CoinMarketCap's page, right? So if you go to their website, you can first of all see that they have a clean and elegant website. And if you go to the top left corner, you can see Aptos Labs, which is their logo. On the top, you have the community tab, products, about, and sign in. We'll kind of briefly touch on to each and every one of these tabs in a few seconds. But if you scroll below, committed to developing products and applications on the Aptos blockchain that redefine the Web3 user experience. So clearly, they're trying to commit to a development of a lot of dApps and applications onto their blockchain, which will redefine the Web3 user experience, right? So if you scroll below, our team of accomplished technical experts is dedicated to creating better network tooling and seamless usability to bring the benefits of decentralization to the masses. So clearly, they are having a group of very highly qualified individuals who have a lot of experience with technical blockchain construction, and they have seamlessly created a seamless usability platform that is also decentralized, and it appeals to the masses, right? So if you want to look at the talented team that they have, you can click on the Our Teams button here. If you want to access the Aptos Foundation themselves, you can click on this button here. But if you scroll further below, they have their white paper, privacy information and terms, along with access to their newsletter if you want up-to-date information from their platform. And you can also find the social media information at the bottom, right? This is pretty much all the information you can find from their website. If you go to community, you can see they have the Aptos community, which you can click and access the community. They also recently had an incentivized testnet. So people who participated in the incentivized testnet got a generous airdrop of at least close to $1,500 worth of airdrop. People who participated in running an actual testnet node, they got rewarded an additional airdrop money, right? So clearly, this project has been popular in the last 2 days, yesterday and today, because of its airdrop and the hype around the fact that this token has been listed on several high-quality exchanges immediately after its launch, right? Immediately after its mainnet launch specifically. So that's pretty interesting. But for people who didn't participate in the incentivized testnet, you'll have a lot of options to earn airdrop in other projects in the future, but not with this one, unfortunately. But yeah, this was something like a good event. It kind of gave the Uniswap kind of vibes, in the current bear market, right? Products wise, you can obviously access multiple different products that they have. Aptos Explorer, it's similar to Etherscan, as well as Petra wallet, which is the main wallet for this blockchain. And obviously the about section that talks about the blog, team, careers, and research. So if you want to go to the blog, you can find most important information about their platform itself. So they have launched their own naming service, similar to ENS, which is the Ethereum naming service, which kind of took off. A lot of blockchains have their own naming services. Aptos also have their own naming service, which was launched about 18 hours ago, which you can find out here. And they have other information as well on their blog that will help you understand more about the new updates that have come to their platform, right? So that's pretty much the quick overview of the blog page. Let's look at the team members themselves. So the team behind, so they're all publicly doxed. These are the individuals who created this blockchain. And if you scroll further below, you can find open roles that you can participate in on the Discord server, right? So that's pretty much it when it comes to this platform. Nothing special, because it's still a very new project. There's going to be a lot more dApps that will eventually get built on top of it. But again, I still have my doubts about this project, because its transactions per second is quite small or less compared to other major blockchains out there. And I'm not really fully sure how much this project will stand the competition, right? So that's that. So let's go back to the CoinMarketCap page, look at some of the technical information. So if you see, this token is already within the top 100. It's in fact close to getting into the top 50, but for now it's in the 54th ranking in CoinMarketCap's page based on market cap, and it's currently trading at around $7.05 at the time I'm making this video, and it's already starting to get dumped because it's a huge airdrop event that happened, and a lot of people are still trying to access their airdrop. And as you guys know, since we're in a bear market, people really want the money. They don't really want speculative assets like crypto or stocks or whatever. Therefore, they're dumping all these tokens, right? So Aptos is also getting the dumping treatment, which is why it's getting dumped 24 hours, about 15.87%. So obviously, this is something that you need to have in mind, because this token is getting dumped. So if you're trying to buy this token, this is definitely not the best time to buy, because you will get dumped on. If you need to wait a little bit, because the hype from Coinbase and Binance hasn't really died down yet, and maybe this token will dump significantly in a few weeks, and that's probably when you have to get into this project, right? If you do want to buy this project in the first place. So if you scroll below, you can find the website. They're clearly audited by Certic. They're also within the Aptos Labs ecosystem, pretty straightforward. Other tags include nothing else, so they're not really that well known to venture capitalists as well. So that's one other kind of like a letdown for this project. If you take a look at the market cap, this project has a market cap of $916 million. It was at around $1 billion in market cap just a few hours ago, but now it's slowly starting to get dumped. The dumping will continue. I think the market cap will go slightly below the $900 million in market cap, right? So that's something to look out for. And the trading volume has been quite high. In fact, the trading volume, due to the large market, exchange listings, has significantly increased to about $1.8 billion. But this will steadily decline because a lot of people will start dumping this token and they'll start forgetting about this project. And I feel like this project will probably not make it that great in the long term, right? That's just my personal opinion. That's just my personal opinion, guys, not friend's advice. But again, you could easily expect this project to dump in a few months from now, right? The volume for now has been going up, which is good if you want to take advantage of the price right now, if you do have the airdrop, right? So the max supply is, again, for now, we don't really know the max supply, but I believe that it's 1 billion tokens. And out of them, about 130 million tokens are in circulation. Not a bad number, but a lot of people are dumping their tokens, so be very careful. So tokenomics-wise, there's nothing really exciting to say about this project, right? So when it comes to the charts itself, we don't really have a lot of information, so I'm just going to go with the information that we have since yesterday. So the token was worth $8.54, which is kind of like the peak. In some exchanges, it reached a little bit higher as well, but $8.54 was the time when most people started selling, and that's why the project's price dropped like pretty crazy. It reached a low of $6.66, then bounced back, went up and down. It's still in the volatile phase. It could bounce back a little bit before going back heavily, in the next few weeks. But I think for now, it's safe to say that this project is clearly heading in the downward direction, because it's kind of like made a two bounce, rally, and then now it's going downwards, right? So don't really buy this project right now. If you want to buy this project, this is the best time to do research on this project. So go through their documents and white paper and see what their roadmap is going to say when it comes to the long-term potential for this project. But I don't really see anything exciting when I did my research, right? When it comes to this project, a lot of people ask me how much money I suggest that they put into a particular project. I usually suggest 3 price points: the safer, riskier, as well as the degen option. For this one as well, I'm going to suggest 3 price points, but again, by no means this is considered as financial advice, right? So since this is a project that's obviously getting a little bit of an attention, with major exchanges, I think it's safe to say that this is a really high quality project. So you can start with a minimum of $100 into this project, but again, don't buy it at this price point. As I said, you can probably wait till this token goes below the $6.30 mark, $6, or maybe even like $5.99 mark, which is something that this token can easily go. And at that price point, if you put in $100, you'll probably get like close to 21 to 22 tokens. But for now, at this price point, you'll get only 14 tokens. So don't buy it at this price point, right? I think this token probably will go up a little bit, but I think it's not going to be sustainable for the long term. Maybe for the short term, you can make some really good gains, right? It can easily go to at least another 5x easily, and that's probably going to give you an easy $500 gain from $100 investment, right? Not pretty crazy, because we've covered other projects that have made like multiple gains, and that also have a potential to make some even more multiple gains in the future as well. So you can easily invest in those kind of projects, but they're a little bit more riskier than Aptos, because Aptos has a lot of support from major centralized exchanges, right? So if you're trying to go a little bit more riskier, I would suggest you to put no more than $500 onto this token, which will give you, at this time of making this video, 70.26 tokens. But if you wait a little longer, you'll probably get close to 85 tokens or more, as long as the price keeps going down, right? But if you buy this token, you can expect to get a $2,500 gains. $2,500 gains with a 5x gain on this token, right? So that's pretty much where you could probably go as far as gains goes, because this project has already made enough gains if you had participated in the airdrop, right? If you are trying to go the degen route because you really like this project, you can invest at least $1,000 or more. But again, this is extremely risky, so please don't try this. If you don't really want to buy this project, don't buy it. But if you want to buy this project, buy it only at an amount that you are willing to lose. So if you buy this at $1,000 into this token, you will probably get 140 tokens at this price point. Or if you wait a little longer, you'll probably get close to 155 tokens, right? If this token does like a 5x, you'll probably get $5,000 from a $1,000 investment. Not pretty crazy, but also not pretty bad. It is kind of like a good quality project from an exchange listing standpoint, but from a technical standpoint and the tokenomics standpoint, I don't see anything crazy with this project, right? So when it comes to markets, as I mentioned, a lot of major exchanges have listed this token pretty much instantaneously after this token's mainnet went live. The Binance exchange has the highest volume and trading liquidity. Huobi Global, FTX, as well as Gate.io, Coinbase as well as listed this token today. Kraken, several major centralized exchanges have listed this token. You pretty much have liquidity from any of them, so I suggest you to choose any of them, right? But the best ones I would say is Binance, FTX, and Huobi Global, and maybe even Coinbase as well. So these are the main exchanges where I can buy this token safely, as well as with a very high liquidity and trading one, right? So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token has a really short-term opportunity. I don't think this project has a good long-term gain opportunity, because this project definitely has gotten a lot of major centralized exchange listings, but that's probably where the majority of the growth is coming from. Since there's no more anticipation for a new exchange listing, this project is going to probably slump for quite some time, right? Maybe it will make some pumps and dumps here and there, but I don't think it's going to make any major moves. And at the same time, this project doesn't really have any unique value proposition. If you see their transactions per second, it was pretty bad, and they did make a airdrop for the people who tried incentivization of the testnet. But I think those airdrop tokens will not be held for long. A lot of people are already dumping them. So that's kind of like a weird way of starting a token launch, because you don't really see the same kind of DeFi enthusiasm that was there in the DeFi summer of 2020 that you can see right now. Right now it's in the bear markets. I think this project is going to get dumped pretty hard. Any airdrop is only going to result in a project getting dumped extremely hard, which is exactly what is happening for this token as well, right? For the short term, I can see this token making a max of 5x, but I don't think it's a good project to hodl for the long term or even the mid-term, because there's a lot more other high quality blockchain projects coming in, and they have high transactions per second, and they're trying to pretty much do a lot of cool and innovative things, which I don't think Aptos is doing right now, right? So I don't really think this token is for me, but if it is for you guys, by all means go ahead. But my verdict is that it's a good short-term gain, not a good long-term gain, right? It's still risky, but please understand that you are taking the risk for the potential return of 5x in the short term. I've covered a lot of projects in this channel that are still extremely young and early, which people are little not talking about. So if you want to check out those videos, please go to my channel and check them out. I even made a video about several low market cap gems recently as well, which have a huge potential than this project, right? So if you want to get better high risk and high return ratio, those are the projects to focus on and not this one, right? Again, this is my personal opinion, guys, not friends' advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money onto this token, right? Again, remember, guys, these are not real investors, these are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.